Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
So what happened when they went for a construction license? This particular punch started asking 6 lakhs rupees as a bribe to pass that, to give that construction license. So they asked their consultant to go and approach him. The consultant went to his house and then he came down to 4 lakh. He tried to convince him that he is getting only 2.4 lakh for entire designing the project and executing it. So this went on and he offered I think some 25 lakhs and all. He was not budging down. So then he complained to me as a president of GSI. So I took up the matter with the CM, I took up the matter with the CS, I took it up with other Panchayat minister. So some people started saying you don't pay. See, the don't pay is not a solution, because what happens, the project gets delayed and this company cannot afford. Now see, it's such a shame that this is a German based company. They had to approach their German consulate, and then the Indo-German consulate in Goa had to go and interfere in this. This gives the bad signal. So I urge the people in the power to do certain take up certain policy decision, so that there is a good ease of doing business in this state.